Even so, KotlinConf is happening right now, and they have published this blog post called KotlinConf 2025 Unpacked, upcoming language features, AI powered development, and Kotlin multi-platform upgrades. So let's go through this blog post. With 2.5 million developers worldwide using Kotlin, the language continues to thrive and evolve. From exciting language and ecosystem updates and robust AI tools that empower Kotlin development to major Kotlin multi-platform milestone and a strategic partnership for the backend, KotlinConf 2025 brought a wave of news that set the tone for the year ahead. Here's everything you need to know. Kotlin 2.2 and language evolution. Kotlin 2.2 is on the horizon, and it brings a fresh set of features including guard condition in when with subject, multi-dollar interpolation, non-local break and continue, context parameters in beta, K2 compiler now the default in IntelliJ IDEA 2025.1. K2 mode has become the default in IntelliJ IDEA 2025.1, meaning that your IDE now reuses part of the much faster K2 compiler for code analysis. You can see the significant decrease in compilation time for the IntelliJ monorepo, which includes nearly all JetBrains projects covering our 12 million lines of Kotlin code. When we turned on K2 mode for the repo, compilation time dropped by over 40%. New language features on the way. While build speed was a major motivation behind the K2 compiler, we had another key goal in mind: enabling a steady, high-quality rollout of new language feature. We aim to continuously make Kotlin more ergonomic, improve its type safety, and speed up the core feedback loop. Upcoming language features include positional destructuring, name-based destructuring, enhanced nullability, rich errors, must-use return values, check return value. We also know that great language features are only part of the story. Compiler plugins play a crucial role in enabling new programming paradigms. While with the K2 compiler, we are now more confident in the stability of the compiler internals. We are also designing a stable compiler plugin API for the front end, making it easier to extend the compiler with the custom checks and code generation. Kotlin build tool innovation. Amper, our experimental Kotlin and JVM build tool, continues to evolve on its road to alpha. Like Kotlin, it's developer friendly and you can build extensive tooling for it. Amper also has clear configuration path, IDE support, and error reporting. It supports all the capabilities of Kotlin, whether you are writing a multi-platform application, a backend implementation with Spring or Ktor client, or a command line tool. Growth of the Kotlin Foundation and reopening of the grants program. The Kotlin Foundation is expanding this year with the addition of 2 new members. Block Inc joins as a silver pro member and Meta joins as a gold member. Their support helps us further our mission of advancing the Kotlin ecosystem and driving Kotlin's widespread adoption. For the past 2 years, the Kotlin Foundation grant program has celebrated standout open source contributors to the community. We are proud to recognize the 2024 winner, Consist, Compose Rich Editor, Multi-Platform Settings, Ultron, and Orbit MVI. And good news, the grant program is reopening this year. If you are building something impactful in the Kotlin ecosystem, this year is your chance to apply for a grant and get recognized. We can't wait to see what you create. Introducing Coog, a framework for building AI agents in Kotlin. Kotlin and AI are increasingly intertwined. You can now build everything with AI in Kotlin and get AI powered support while doing it. Today we are open sourcing Coog, a new framework for developing advanced and reliable AI agents in Kotlin. It includes predefined workflows and patterns which you can use directly or combine with each other. You can now pair LLM intelligence with Kotlin's expressiveness to develop AI powered apps. On the flip side, AI is here to assist Kotlin developers. Whether you are working on server-side apps, Android application, multi-platform projects, or even AI agent, JetBrains AI is deeply integrated into our IDE, offering smart features. You can chat with AI about the code base, ask project-specific question, and get context-aware answers. Code compilation is powered by Melium, JetBrains' own LLM designed specifically for code-related tasks. It's fast, accurate, and designed to be used in production on large code bases. There is now a version fine-tuned specifically for Kotlin. Today we are open sourcing it to make it available for the broader developer and research community. Recently we also introduced Juni, an AI coding agent capable of performing complex tasks across all types of Kotlin applications. From server side and Android to Kotlin multi-platform, we are going to open the EAP for Juni on GitHub soon. Stay tuned. Kotlin multi-platform new KMP plugin in IntelliJ IDEA plus Android Studio and Compose multi-platform updates. Kotlin multi-platform is also getting several major updates, including Kotlin multi-platform support in JetBrains IDE and Android Studio, and Compose multi-platform for iOS officially reaching stable status. Here are some of the highlights announced during the keynote. There is a brand new KMP plugin for IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio. Learn more about it. The first experimental release of Swift export is coming to Kotlin 2.2.20. Compose multi-platform for iOS is now stable. Compose hot reload is here. Compose multi-platform for iOS is stable. Compose multi-platform for iOS is now stable and ready for production. It gives you everything you need to build beautiful responsive apps on iOS with native like scrolling, iOS native text selection, drag and drop functionality, variable font support, and natural gestures. On top of that, Compose hot reload is already available. It lets you update your UI and see changes instantly. No restarts, no state loss. Enjoy faster iteration and smoother development. Kotlin Wasm and Compose for web progress. The web target for Compose multi-platform continues to evolve, with ongoing performance improvements and web improvements for more APIs, bringing it even closer to feature parity with other platforms. Meanwhile, Kotlin Wasm is improving rapidly with faster incremental builds, smaller output binaries, and a better developer experience. Now, both Kotlin Wasm and Compose multi-platform for web are expected to reach beta later this year. Kotlin for server side, growing adoption and Spring partnership. Nearly half of all Kotlin developers use the language on the backend, a number worth celebrating, and there's a lot of amazing work being done with server side Kotlin today. You can watch the showcase video to hear from the teams putting it into action. To support this momentum, JetBrains is partnering with the Spring team to make Kotlin a top choice for professional server-side work. The areas of collaboration include: first, full nail safety for Kotlin and Spring apps, official learning materials in Kotlin, faster Kotlin reflection with Kotlin X.reflect, backend ecosystem KTOR 3 and revamped Exposed. KTOR 3 brings big improvements to the core, including up to 3x faster I/O performance, enhanced configuration support, and new features like server-send events, WebAssembly support, and more. KTOR's adoption is growing fast, up to 37% over the last year, and we continue to enhance its feature set to meet your needs as users of the framework. The Exposed library has been fully reworked thanks to the rewritten core of the library, support for new SQL concepts, and better documentation and onboarding material. Working with Exposed has really leveled up, and with its new plugin you can enjoy first-class IDE support. Official Kotlin LSP in development. Last but not least, Kotlin is expanding to more development environment, starting with the official Kotlin language server protocol and a new Kotlin extension for Visual Studio Code. Although still in its early stage, it already includes basic support for code compilation, completion, navigation, inspection, quick fixes, Java interop, and basic project import. An alpha release is planned for later this year with much more to come. In the meantime, you can experiment with the pre-alpha build and share your feedback with us. Wrapping up, we are incredibly grateful to the Kotlin community for shaping the language, sharing feedback, and pushing boundaries. The wide range of updates set the stage for an exciting year ahead. Let's build the innovative, ambitious future of Kotlin together. And you can watch the live stream as well on YouTube. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.